funny how life can surprise you. When this Jersey City couple moved into their historic home, they thought they wouldn't have children. Fast forward 10 years, 2 kids, and a call to houseplay to tailor their home to their lifestyle. This family wanted to reconfigure the ground floor, but they weren't sure how. We helped the homeowners to transform their former playroom into a bar and lounge with a secondary den area and an industrial eclectic look. Exposed brick, upper cabinets in black tinted glass, and lower cabinets in reclaimed wood. Plus, behind a new set of doors lies a large mudroom to accommodate biking and skiing gear. We retrofitted the entire home with a full ductless HVAC system and redid the kids' bedrooms too. The new design represents a modern take on historic elements. Here's what the homeowners had to say. Our house didn't fit the way we wanted to live, but we didn't have the vision to change it. Houseplay helped us understand our goals for our space and define our requirements. Then they came up with an innovative plan for both the space and the aesthetic that we love. Their work has completely changed how we use our house. Our kids have their own rooms now with awesome storage, and we have a usable family room with solutions for our sporting equipment. Not only was the end product fantastic, but they are a pleasure to work with and dedicated to quality outcomes. Do you want to create a home that you'll love living in? Visit www.hprnj.com or call 201-682-8766 or 845-630-8677 today.